Has anyone, if anyone can't understand anything, all can. Pardon?
Page number 19.
No, I couldn't hear you.
And
Yes, sir.
section A.
Section A, yes.
1 and proof in which meaning?
Which one? Page?
1.
This one? Page 76.
Page 76. Page 19.
Page 19, yeah. Section A.
1 and 2.
Yes, which one? Dirty. Now, first one is dirty. 1 minute, let me get that. One minute, let me get that. Yes, page 19, section A. So hands covered with dirt. That's called dirty. Dirty. Is that correct? That's the one. Which one are you asking?
Rajamani. Rajamani.
Yeah. Which one? There are A now. There are 10. There are 10 questions.
Sir, I know. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
No, you can understand everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so hands covered with dirt, dirty. Then where there is strong winds, windy. Then a table covered with dust, dusty. Okay, food that has lot of salt, salty. Then a girl who has lots of luck, lucky. Okay, so all that is with ending with Y. Similarly, section B also same thing. Where you have a lot of, if it's a very sunny day, you call sunny. Then if it's an easy exercise, it's easy, misty, smoky. Does everyone know the meaning of fizzy? Number 7, fizzy. What is fizzy?
The soda.
Yes. When you open the soda, you get that noise coming. That's called fizz. So fizzy. Then foggy. Foggy. What is foggy? Pardon? What is foggy? Foggy. I think foggy is that mood pani, no? Mist. Like mist. Let's see what it says, foggy. Mood pani. Okay, you can see the translation here, foggy. Then what is spotty? Spotty is spot. What do you mean by that? Pulli, correct, yes. Spotty, that is spotty face. Okay, then you have lazy and then you have muddy. Okay, so those were like some examples of how different types of adjectives ending with full and ending with Y. So did everyone manage to do that exercise or any problems? Okay, so we have learned adjectives. So today we get on to a new lesson on Okay, so this is called comparative superlative adjectives. Okay, so we're still on adjectives, but it's called comparative superlative adjectives. So let me see, for example, if we have okay, so we have two people. John is 170 centimeters tall, Alan is 170 centimeters tall. So what will you say about both of them? How will you say about their height?
Taller.
No, both are same height. So what you will normally say is,
Taller. As tall as.
yes. So you say John is as tall as Alan. Okay, so this is the important part. As tall as. Okay, that is the like comparing the same, both are same. Similarly, if you say okay, so what will you say here? Box A
B
is as heavy as box B. Okay, so same as, heavy as. Again, that's the way you say that both are equal. And what is the adjective in this sentence? What is adjective for sentence? What is adjective? John is as tall as Alan, which is adjective.
Heavy.
Tall as.
No, what is the adjective? Adjective.
Heavy. Heavy.
No, first sentence. This one, this sentence.
Tall.
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 Yes. Tall is the adjective. Okay, and this one, what is the adjective?
Heavy.
Heavy. Yeah, so that is a heavy. Okay, so this is when both are same. Now let's say another example. Okay, we'll take the same, we'll take this same thing. Okay, now what will you say?
Alan காட்டிலும் John வந்து உயர்ந்தவன்.
John is
Taller than
yes.
Alan.
John is taller than Alan.
Alan.
Okay, John is taller than Alan, and Alan is shorter than John. Okay, so this is the comparative. Taller. This is the comparative, shorter. Okay, so that is what we mean by the comparative adjectives. Taller, shorter. Okay. So let's just run. Okay, so we see this one. Okay, so look at these sentences. Jack is 12 years old. Mary is 10 years old. So Jack is older than Mary. Mary is younger than Jack. So old and young are the adjectives. Okay, and these are the comparative. So similarly, we have like this. Now say for example, rich, richer, poor, poorer, tall, taller, short, shorter. Okay, so let's see for this. Let's see what will you put here. Servant is a king. What will you put here? Out of these four, you have to fill in the blanks here.
A servant is
The servant is poor.
Yes, poorer than a king. A servant is poorer than a king. A king is
Richer than a servant.
yeah richer than a servant.
Servant.
A boy is
Taller.
Taller,
shorter. No, a boy is shorter. A boy is shorter than
Shorter
a man.
than a man.
Yes. And a man is
Taller.
Taller
Taller
than
than
a boy.
a boy.
A boy.
Okay. Now, when you look at all these comparatives, what is the thing that you can see in the comparative? What is the important point? When you see the four sentences, what is the important word in the four sentences?
Adjective.
No, what is the important word that is coming in the comparative?
Then.
Then,
Than.
yes, then.
Than.
Every comparative you have to have then. Okay, so can you see all you get? Servant is poorer than, king is richer than, boy is shorter than, taller than. Okay, so then is very important for the comparative. You have to have then. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so now here you can see they've given the picture of Jack, Tom. So now if you see, the adjectives are big, clean, dirty, fat, small, thin. So what will you say here? Jack is,
Jack is
these are the adjectives: big, clean, dirty, fat, small, thin.
Fatter than Tom.
Yes, Jack is fatter than Tom. And Tom is,
Thinner than.
yes, thinner than Jack. Tom is thinner than Jack. Right, now these two. The girl's face is, see these adjectives.
Dirty.
Yes, the girl's face is
and the boy's
Clean.
cleaner. Cleaner. Okay, so that will be CLEANER, cleaner. Okay, then
Screen.
the boy's face is
Dirty.
Dirty. Dirty.
dirtier.
Dirtier.
DIRTIER. Okay, so see the spelling, dirty, the Y is there then, and you make it IER, dirtier. So the boy's face is dirtier than the girl's face. The box A is than the box B. Sorry, this is the picture. Here. Okay. Box A is
Bigger than.
bigger than. Okay, bigger. And what is the spelling of bigger?
P-I-G-G-E.
Yes, bigger. BIGGER. Box A is bigger than the box B, and the box B is
Smaller than the box A.
smaller. And smaller spelling will be
S-M-A-L-L-E-R.
smaller. Okay. Right. Similarly, we have these adjectives. Now, these are the adjectives: cold, hot, hungry, pretty, and put then in the second space and to make a comparative. So, what do you say? Summer is what?
Summer is hot than winter.
Not hot, hotter,
Hotter.
hotter. Okay. And how do you spell hotter? H-O,
H-O-T-E-R.
no, T-T.
T-T-E-R.
H-O-T-T-E-R, hotter. So summer is hotter than winter. Mary is than her sister.
Pretty.
Prettier, prettier. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier, prettier. Okay. Poor men are often than rich men. Poor men are often
hunger. Then
Hungry than.
hungrier. Hungrier.
hunger.
Okay. H-U-N-G-R
Or I-E-R.
I-E-R. Hungrier. Hungrier than rich men. Winter is
Colder than.
Colder than summer.
colder. Right, this one. Now you have, now this is the important thing. Now we learned all these comparative: cold, colder, rich,
Then
richer, hot,
after
hotter. So what is the one for good?
Better.
Yes, good is
Bad.
better. Okay, good, better. And but for bad is what?
Worse.
Better.
Worse.
Worse.
Worse. W-O-R-S-E. So good, better, bad, worse. So if you see this one, good, better. Here are two which you must know: good, better, bad, worse. So we say Jack's mark for handwriting is 8 out of 10. Tom's mark for handwriting is 4 out of 10. So Jack's mark is what? Jack's
Higher
mark is
than.
no. We are using
than.
we have to use yes, better.
Good.
Okay.
Then
Not good. Jack's mark is
Better
better than Tom's mark.
Better than Tommy's
Tom's mark. Tom's mark is
was
worse than
Jack's
Jack's
mark.
mark. Okay, so Jack's mark is better than Tom's mark. Tom's mark is worse than Jack's mark. Okay. Right. Okay, so now we have learned the comparative. Now let's see one. We again take this. Okay, so now we have three boys. Okay, John is 180 centimeters tall, Alan is 170 centimeters tall, David is 160. Okay, so now we can say John is taller than
David.
Alan
Alan.
and David. Okay, John is taller than Alan and David. And David is
Shorter than John and Alan.
Yes. Okay. David is shorter than John and Alan. Now, what can we say about John out of all the three? John is,
The tallest.
yes, John is the tallest. Okay. And David is,
Shorter.
Shortest.
no, the shortest.
Shortest.
So these two are called comparative. These two are comparative. And these two are called
Superlative.
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 Superlative. Superlative. So taller and shorter are the comparative adjectives. Tallest and shortest are the superlative adjectives. So now we saw that, I think we saw before this, that for all the comparative you're getting than, shorter than, taller than. Okay, similarly for the superlative, what is the important thing? The. Okay, here you will always get the tallest, the shortest. Okay, so that we have to remember. For the comparative, you will get than. For the superlative, you will get the. So we have now, say, if we have cold, colder, superlative will be coldest. So richer, richest. Hot, hotter, hottest. So good, better,
Best.
best. Bad, worse will be worst. So similarly here also, if you see bigger, superlative will be biggest.
Yes.
Smaller will be smallest. Okay, so most of those you have like that, big, bigger, bigger, small, smallest, smallest. Right, now, supposing you have one like this. You have the adjective. This is the adjective. Beautiful. Okay, what is the comparative for beautiful?
More.
Very beautiful.
Yes, that will come more beautiful, not beautifuler. More beautiful. More beautiful.
Or most.
And the superlative will be most. Most beautiful. So you have a lot of words like that. Say, for example, also say dangerous. Again, more dangerous
And most dangerous.
and most dangerous. So how do you know when to have this more and most?
More.
When will you know when to use more and most and not to use ER and EST? Okay, there is one way. Normally, all these words where you get more than 2 syllables, 2 or more syllables, then you have to use more. Now, say, can you see this? Beautiful, dangerous. Okay, can you see 2 syllables? For those words, it will always you have to put more and most. Say another one will be intelligent. Okay, intelligent, 2 syllables, intelligent. So again, more intelligent
And most.
and most intelligent. So there are a lot of words like that where you get this more and most. Let me show you some words. I'll show you. Can you see these are the words? See, ancient, more ancient, most ancient. Comfortable, comfortable. So 2 syllables. More comfortable, most comfortable. Frightening, more frightening, most frightening. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Interesting, more interesting, most interesting. Powerful, more powerful, most powerful. So these are some words where you have to use more. Because most of the other words, it is, you have to just put like this: hot, hotter, hottest, rich, richer, richest, cold, colder, hungry, hungrier. Most of the words are like that, but you get some where you have to use more and most. So remember that 2 syllables or more, for those words you have to use more and most. Okay. So anyone has any questions on that? Any questions from what we learned, comparative and superlative? No questions. Okay, so let's see this one. Now see, can we see this? Okay, now we have Jack, Tom, and Bob. So Jack is a tall boy. That is the adjective, tall.
Nothing, sir.
Yeah. He is taller than Tom. Jack is taller than Tom. He is taller than Tom and Bob. He is the tallest. So he is the tallest. The tallest is superlative. Similarly, shorter. We can see shorter than and the shortest. So we have got here again old, older, oldest, young, younger, youngest. Okay, so same, that's what we learned. Right, let's look at these. So here we have some adjectives: rich, poor, clean, cold, small, big, fat, all these with the comparative and the superlative. So let's see this exercise. Jack is 12 years old. Tom is 10 years old. Bob is 8 years old. So what will you put here? Jack is
Older than.
yes.
Older than.
Jack is older than Tom. Okay, Jack is older than Tom. Jack is Tom and Bob.
Oldest.
Older than Tom and
Yes, again older than. Okay, here also number 1 is older. Number 2 is also older than. Jack is older than Tom and Bob. Again comparative. Or Jack is the
Oldest.
oldest boy of the 3, because now you are getting the. So the means superlative comes. So oldest boy of the 3. Or you can say Jack is same thing. Jack is the oldest of the 3 boys. Okay, number 4, that number 4 sentence, Jack is the oldest of the 3 boys. Same meaning as number 3.
okay.
Okay, same thing. Both are superlative. So 1 and 2 are comparative. 1 and 2 are comparative. 3 and 4 are superlative. Okay, so this one, number 5. Bob is younger.
Younger than.
Yes, Bob is younger than. Okay, so number 5 you have to fill then. Bob is younger than Tom. Number 6.
Bob is younger than Tom and Jack.
Yes, again same. Bob is younger than Tom and Jack. Okay, number 7.
Bob is the
The youngest.
Youngest.
Bob is
youngest.
Bob is the youngest boy of the 3. Or Bob is number 8.
The youngest.
Yes, again superlative. Okay, so 5 and 6 are comparative. 7 and 8 are superlative.
Superlative.
Okay, so can you see now you will get the coming. The is coming in 7 and 8. So that is superlative.
Okay.
Okay. Read these sentences. Jack's father is very rich. Tom's father is not very rich. Bob's father is very poor. Okay, so now what will you put here? Jack's father is
Richer than Tom's father.
yes. Jack's father is richer than Tom's father. Okay, number 2.
Richer than.
Again, richer than. Jack's father is richer than Tom's father and Bob's father. Number 3.
Jack's father is the richest man of the.
Yes. Jack's father is the richest man of the 3. Number 4.
Same. Jack's father is
The
the
richest of the 3 men.
richest.
Okay, so again 1 and 2 are comparative, 3 and 4 are superlative.
Oh, that's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
Bob's father is Bob's
Poorer
father.
than.
Bob's father is poorer than Tom's father.
Uh,
Then Bob's father is
Poorer.
poorer, not poor, poorer.
Poorer.
Poorer than Tom's father and Jack's father. Bob's father is
The
The
poorest.
poorest.
yes, the poorest man of the 3. Or Bob's father is
The poorest.
the poorest of the 3 men. Okay, same meaning. 7 and 8, same meaning. Okay, both are same meaning. And both are superlative. 3 and 4 are superlative. 1 and 2 comparative. 5 and 6 comparative. So main thing is you must remember comparative than, superlative the. Okay, let's see this exercise. Complete these sentences using the superlative forms of the adjectives in the brackets. So what will you say? The elephant is big animal in the world.
Biggest.
The biggest.
The biggest.
Bigger. Hmm.
The elephant is the biggest animal in the world. Okay, the biggest. July and August.
Are the hottest months of the year.
Yes, July and August are the hottest months of the year. December and January are
The coldest months of the year.
the coldest months of the year. Mary is
The
The
prettiest,
the prettiest.
girl in the room.
The prettiest. Okay, PR, prettiest is Prettiest. Okay, prettiest. Prettiest girl in the room. Okay, Jack has a new bicycle and he is happy boy in the world.
The happiest.
The
The
happiest.
happiest. He is the happiest. So again, happiest.
PPIEST.
H-A-P-P-I.
HAPPIEST.
Okay, happiest. Okay, my country is good in the world.
Is
The
the best.
No, it's
better
the
in
best. It's the best.
Best. Sorry.
My country is the best in the world.
Best in the world.
Okay, Jack's mark for writing is 8 out of 10. Tom's mark is 6. Bob's mark is 3. Bob has
Worst mark.
no
The
the worst.
Worst mark.
The worst. Okay, so when you are using comparative, you must always, I mean, superlative, you must always say the. So the worst. The worst. Bob has the worst mark. Jack's face is cleaner than Tom's face. Tom's face is cleaner than Bob's face. Bob has
The
Worst
Dirtiest.
face.
the dirtiest.
Dirtiest.
Yes,
Dirtiest.
the dirtiest. The dirtiest face. Bob has the dirtiest face. Okay, let's do this exercise now. Adjectives adding a and ist. So we have to put a or est. That is either comparative or superlative. So in the first one, what will you put? Andrew is much.
Taller than.
Taller than.
Yes, taller, because then is coming. So taller, comparative, taller. The church is the building
highest building in town.
highest, because the is coming superlative.
Superlative.
Carol has the writing in the class.
The neatest
Neatest.
writing.
Neatest writing in the class. Okay. In winter, we wear the
Warmest
warmest.
clothes we have.
Again superlative. Okay. I am than my
Older than my brother.
older, not oldest.
Old.
Older. Older. This knife is
Sharper
sharper than yours. Yes. Okay. Again, ER or EST. The weather is much
Finer.
finer. Okay. Now there is no then coming here, but it is comparative because there is no the. Okay. If there is no the, then definitely it is comparative because superlative means the has to be there. Okay. So finer. This is the jam I've ever tasted.
Nicest.
Nicest. Okay. Superlative. The pear was than the banana.
Riper.
Riper than.
R-I-P-E-R, riper. The old lion was the
Famous of the Lord.
famous of the lot. King Solomon was the
Wisest of all.
wisest of all men. W-I-S-C-S-T.
Yes.
Wisest. She is much
Paler.
paler after illness. What is the meaning of paler? What do you say in Tamil for paler?
Veliria. Veliria.
Is it? Yes, velir, correct. Yeah. Okay, so that is the meaning of paler. Right, the final exercise, we say this one. Okay, again adding EA or EST. This is the hottest. Holland is a country than England. Flatter. How do you spell flatter?
Than comparative.
Now, how do you spell flatter?
F-L-A-T-T-E-R.
F-L-A-T-T-E-R. Flatter. Okay, flatter. Friday was the
Wettest day of the week.
yeah, again wettest also W-E-T-T-E-S-T. Wettest. Okay, wettest. Matthew picked the slice of cake on the plate.
Biggest slide of the
Biggest. B-I-G-G. Okay, double G. B-I-G-G-E-S-T. The clown's nose was than a cherry. Redder. R-E-D-D-E-R. And it was the of his life. Saddest. S-A-D-D. Double D. S-A-D-D-E-S-T.
E-S-T.
Okay, here now. Now these are all ending with Y. Can you see all with Y? So John is the
happiest boy.
Happiest boy in the whole.
H-A-P-P-I-E-S-T. Happiest. Okay, Ashley seems to be
Lazier.
L-A-Z-I-E-R. Lazier. The rose is a prettier.
என்ன பண்ணிட்ட?
Her bedroom is the tidiest. Okay, tidiest will be tidiest. T-I-D-I-E-S-T. Okay, tidiest. What is the meaning of tidy?
Tidy means neat.
Neat. Tidy means neat. Another word for neat. Tidy. The boys are than the girls. Noisier. So noisier also spelling N-O-I-S-I-E-R. Okay, noisier. N-O-I-S-I-E-R. Christmas is the time of year.
Merriest.
Merry means happy time. So M-E-R-R-I-E-S-T. Okay, your jokes are than mine. Funnier. Are toads than frogs. Slimier. Slimier. S-L-I-M-I-E-R. What is the meaning of slimy?
Slimy. வெளுக்குறதா?
Slimy is
Yes.
no, I don't know. It's not coming.
Slim.
Slimy.
Slim.
No, it's not slim. Slimy is that I think you get like volleyball thing. No, how do you call it? Like slippery, like
Slippery.
yeah, slimy. I don't know exact meaning.
Now,
It's not coming in the
Gas
Google.
போடாத.
வழுவழுப்பான. Correct. Yeah, I think that's the meaning. Okay. You will have to be
earliest.
Earlier.
Earliest.
A-R-L-I-E-R. And the monster you ever saw in your life was trying to get in.
Hairiest.
Hairiest. Okay, so that is-
H-A-R-I-E-S-T.
Yes. H-A-I-R-I-E-S-T. Hairiest. Okay. So I think we have done a lot of exercises. How is there any questions that anyone has on this, on comparative and superlative? Anything you can't understand?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Can understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do a proper exercise then
Yes,
on
sir.
this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Okay, comparative superlative adjectives. So let's see this one. What will you put here?
Rock is
Heavier.
heavier than
Beer.
heavier.
Yeah, so H-A-E-R.
B-I-E-R.
Then our
Yes.
house is
Bigger than yours.
bigger. The princess is
More beautiful.
More.
yes, more beautiful than the witch. Tom is a
Better.
Better student.
better. Bicycles are than motorbikes.
Safer than.
Safer than.
Safer. July is than January.
Hotter than January.
H-O-T-T-E-R. Okay. A lion is
Most dangerous.
no
More
more
dangerous
dangerous.
than-
More dangerous. Not superlative. Comparative. More dangerous than a cat. Helen is
Better.
Happier.
Happier than Mary.
happier. H-A-P-P-I-E-R.
P-P-I-E-R.
Computers are than telephones.
More
Expensive.
More expensive.
More expensive. More expensive. I think golf is than football.
More boring.
More boring. Okay, because boring. Boring. So 2 syllables. So more boring. Okay, it is the shop in town.
The largest.
Larger.
Just
Largest.
because the okay superlative. Monday is the
First day of the week.
first.
First
Monday is the first day of the week. Ben was the
noise.
Not
Noisiest.
noisiest. Sam is the
most
Populist in the class.
most
More
popular. Most popular.
Populist.
No, not most populous. Most popular in the class.
Popular.
Which is the difficult subject at school?
What typical?
Most difficult.
Most.
Difficult. Which is the most difficult subject at school? Gym is the
best.
Best.
best. Elephants are the
Yes.
Heaviest animal.
heaviest. H-E-A-V-I-E-S-T. Heaviest. Let's pick the
Biggest apple of the tree.
biggest. And
Yes.
Mary is the
Thinner.
thinnest.
Thinnest.
Double N. Thinnest.
Superlative.
And that is the
Most comfortable.
Most sofa.
most comfortable.
Comfortable.
Most comfortable sofa. No. Okay, let's do one more exercise before we. Sorry. Okay, I think we have done enough on this. Anyone has any questions? I think You all can understand everything, no? Is there any problem, any difficulties on this?
No.
Anyone has any questions? So that others also might. And I will share. So I will send this one. You can see where you have more and most. That is the most important thing to remember. Where you use more and most. Okay, no questions.
Sir, can you explain the 2-syllable?
Yeah, 2 syllables is that's the thing. Now 2 syllables. Now beautiful, beautiful, dangerous.
Sentence.
Yeah, so where you have 2 syllables or more, those words you will have to use more and most. Now all this, what I showed you, now you see this, can you see all this? Cheerful. So more cheerful, most cheerful. Difficult. More difficult, most difficult. Important. More important, most important. So that's the way you see whether you have to use more or most, or like the other ones, poorer, richer, richest, like that. So these are some of the words where you have to use more. There are other words also, but you can see by the number of syllables. When you're pronouncing the word, whether you're having 2 or more syllables. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So everyone has understood this comparative and superlative. Also, only thing is most, you must remember the then and the. That is the most important. And okay, now there's something else which I want to show you. If we say now I think in the first class we learnt about countable nouns and non-countable nouns. Can you remember? Everyone can remember that? What are the non-countable nouns? Examples?
Water,
Yes, water, rice,
Sand.
okay. So if you say, now if I want to say I have a lot of say books, what will you say? I have, what is the word you'll use? I have many books, correct? Is that correct? I have many books. Okay, so what do you mean by many?
Naraya.
Yes, I've got many books. Right, I have got many books. So similarly, if I want to say that I have got a lot of rice or a lot of water, what should I say? Can I say I have? Can I say this? Is this correct? Is that correct?
No.
No.
Okay, then what do you put?
Lot
I
of
have
water.
lot of water.
Yes, but there is another word. But when you're writing, you have to say, I have much water. Okay. When you say things like non-countable nouns, say water, rice, bread, you have to say much. You can't say I have many water. You have to say I have much water. But if it's countable nouns, then you say many. Okay. So that's the difference between many and much. Similarly, if you are saying I have got little, then you say, what will you say for books? I have. If I say few, sorry, little. Okay, I will say this is what you say. I have few books. That means I've got a little books. I've got few books. So similarly, for non-countable nouns, what will I say? I have little. Okay, this is what. So you must remember for countable nouns. For countable nouns, you have to say many and few. For non-countable nouns,
much, many,
much,
many.
little. Okay, so this you must remember. You can't say You can't say okay, this is not correct. That is not correct. You can't say we have little glasses of water.
Glass
So-
of water.
No. You can't say we have little glasses of water. What do you have to, how do you say it correctly? We have,
Few classes.
yes, we have few glasses of water. We have few glasses of water because glasses of water is countable. So countable means you have to use few. So similarly, if say we, is this correct?
Tappu.
Yeah,
Many
wrong.
books.
Yes, we have many books. Okay, so this you must remember. You must remember what countable nouns and the non-countable nouns. Much, little, many, few. Right now, let me just give you an example. Okay. Now, again, we are now actually this much and little and many and few are also adjectives. Okay, these also adjectives. Much, little, many, few. These are adjectives. Right now, my sister has got. I have got 10 books. My sister has got 15 books. My brother has 20 books. So how will you do the comparative for this? How will you say comparative? My sister has then what will you say?
You.
My sister has I am having 10 books. My sister has 15 books. So what will you say?
You then me.
No, my sister has 15 books. I have 10 books.
More.
More books. Okay, my sister has more books than me. Then what will you say? Then what will you put? My sister has more books than me. I have
Less.
no. This is countable. Countable nouns. Books are countable. So what?
Few.
Fewer than. Fewer.
Fewer than.
Okay, I have fewer books than my sister. Can you see that? Because books are countable. So countable is few. So similarly, if I say my brother okay, then what? My brother has.
Many.
No, see, my brother has 20 books. My sister has 15 books. So my brother has,
More.
yes, more books.
My sister.
Okay, my brother has more books than my sister. So now if we look at the adjectives again, so we have many, few, little, and much. So what is the comparative for many. What is the now? Many is the adjective. What is the comparative?
More.
More. What is the superlative?
Most.
Most. Most. Few.
Fewer.
Fewer.
Fewest.
Fewest. Little.
Less.
Little less.
Less.
Few.
Less.
Less.
Least. Least. Okay. Little, less, least. Much. Again. More.
More. Most.
Most. Okay, so this one you must remember this. This you have to remember because these are the correct words for the comparative and adjective, superlative for these quantities, for countable and non-countable nouns. So many, more, most, few, fewer, fewest, little, less, least, much, more, most. So for countable nouns, you'll have to use many, more, most.
கொஞ்சம் quality கொடு.
And few, fewer, fewest. For non-countable nouns, little, less, least, much, more, most. So if you say, for example, now let's do like this. I have water. I have some water. My sister has more water. My brother has the most. Okay, because non-countable, more, most. So if you say same way, if you say less water, I have little water. My sister has less water. My brother has the least water. But if it is countable, more, most, fewer, fewest. Okay, let's see one exercise. Then you all might understand this. Let's 1 minute. Okay, let's see this one. Use few, fewer, fewest to fill in the blanks. Comparative adjective, superlative adjective. So what will you put here? Our school has
More student.
no. Few, fewer, fewest.
Fewer.
Fewer. Because comparative.
Taller. Than.
Okay. She has what?
Few.
Fewer.
Few friends.
Yeah, she has few. Yeah, she has few friends. This class has the
Fewest students.
fewest. Today I drank cups of tea than yesterday.
Fewer.
Fewer. Okay, comparative, fewer. The team which makes the mistakes will be the winners.
Fewest mistakes.
Fewest. 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 There are very cars in the street.
Few cars.
Few. Adjective. Please give me
Few minutes.
few minutes of your time. Our city has the fewest. Fewest. Okay, now here use much, many, more to fill in the blanks. This town has
More
Now-
old.
now 1 minute.
Most.
Now all buildings. Is it
All
is it
buildings.
all buildings is countable or non-countable? Countable or non-countable?
Countable.
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 Okay,
Many.
countable. So you have to use
Many.
many. Okay, she has dresses. Countable or non-countable? Countable, but
Many.
comparative. Because then. So what is
More.
it? She has more. She has more dresses than me. Our village has the
Most.
yes, most, because the superlative, most accidents. Can I have some?
Some more juice.
Some more. Okay, some more juice. There is so food remaining. Food is countable or non-countable?
Non-countable.
Countable.
Food is non-countable.
Much.
Much. Yes,
Follow chain.
much.
Follow.
The rich have
More.
more money than the poor. There are so countable or non-countable
Many.
parks. Yes,
Many.
so many parks. Colombo has the highest buildings in Sri Lanka.
Most.
Most. Okay, then this one. Use little, less, least to fill in the blanks. There is only milk in the jug.
Less.
Least milk in the.
No.
Less.
Now,
Less.
yeah,
Little.
little.
Little milk.
There is only little milk. Now, this little is adjective, less is comparative, least is superlative.
Superlative.
Okay, so you have to use the adjective, the comparative, or the superlative only to fill in the blanks. This town has the residents in this
Least.
district.
Least
Least.
residents.
Least.
Yes.
He has scored
Little marks.
no
Less mark.
less marks than me. We have the COVID
Least.
cases. Least.
Least COVID.
Some people have
Little time.
little time. Yes, some people have little time for others. Rural areas have less buses than
Urban areas.
the northern province has the
Least.
least. USA has
Less.
less.
Comparative.
Comparative, less. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Use much, little, non-countable nouns or many, few. So here what will you put? Electricity, what will you say? Much, little or many, few. So here what will you say? Electricity will be what? Much or
Many. Few.
no, much electricity or little.
Little.
Okay, much or little. Suitcases?
Little.
No. Suitcases is countable.
Much.
So, no.
Many.
Many of you. Can you understand? Electricity is non-countable. So, much or little. Suitcases, countable. Many of you. Rice? Much or little. Okay, water?
Much.
Same thing. Same, much. Okay. Bottles of water?
Little.
No.
Much.
Bottles? No. Look at the exercise. Use much, little or many, few. Much and little is for non-countable nouns. Many or few is for countable nouns.
Many.
Yes.
Many are few.
Many or few. Yes, many or few. Coal?
Many and few.
Many are few.
No, coal is not countable.
Much.
Okay, much or little. Coal is not countable. Coal. Scarves.
Scraps.
Scarves. What is a scarf?
Much.
Scarf is, I don't know what is the meaning in Tamil. Scarf is tavani.
Scarps.
Yeah, scarves. So what is the, is it much or little or many of you?
Many few.
Many few, correct. Many few, countable. Gold.
Much.
Much and little.
Much and little. Dollars.
Many. Few.
Many few, yes. Many few. Sand.
Much.
Much.
Little.
Sugar,
Much.
Much.
much, little. Time,
Many.
Many and few.
Many. Few.
no, much. Time is not countable. You can't count time. Time is much. Okay. Houses, many. Cheese,
Cheese.
much. Okay, much cheese. You can't say many cheese. Much cheese. Okay, cars,
Many.
many cars. Many cars you can count. Money we did. Children,
Few.
yeah, many. Many of you. Girls,
Many or few. Same.
Many are
many of you. Yes. Coffee,
Same, sir.
much,
much.
much,
Okay, you can't say many coffee. Much coffee. Hobbies,
much,
no. Much is count. Hobbies is countable.
Many.
hobbies.
many, many.
Okay, many hobbies. Okay, so let's see whether we can just fill in this before we finish. Fill in the blanks with few or little. He speaks Spanish. Few or little. You must think whether it's countable or non-countable.
Few.
No, is Spanish countable or non-countable?
Countable.
No, non-countable. Spanish, non-countable. So little. Then there are only bananas in the box.
Few,
Few.
Correct. Countable. We need butter for this cake.
Few.
little,
Little.
little,
Because not countable. Butter not countable. The teacher gives us
little,
Little.
Few time.
little.
Little time.
No, not countable. Time is not countable. They are only left to hand in the reports.
few days,
Few days. Countable. Okay, countable. I bought apples in this shop.
Little apples.
Few. Countable. Could I have milk in my coffee?
little, little,
Little. Okay, little milk in my
Hey.
coffee. Look, there are mice on the roof.
few,
Few. We saw people at the bus stop.
Few.
few,
Few. Countable. We have ketchup and sausages. We have little ketchup and
Few suggest.
yes, countable. Sausages countable. Few. Okay, same way. Fill in the blanks with much or many. Philip owns,
Many properties in France.
yes, many properties. Countable. We didn't earn
much,
much profit. How many have you got?
many, many,
No, not countable. Money is not
Much.
countable.
Much.
How much money? Sharon does not have
Many friends.
many friends. Yes, countable. There are two,
Many.
Many students.
yes, countable. Doesn't need
Much.
much. Milk is not countable. We had so fun.
Much.
Much, not countable. I spent
Many.
Many days.
many days there. Okay, that's countable. We have oranges.
Many.
Much oranges.
many,
Many
Many
countable. Oranges countable. We don't have bananas and we have fruit juice.
many bananas,
We don't have many bananas countable and we
and
don't
we
have,
don't have much.
yes,
much.
fruit juice not countable. Much fruit juice. How is this? $10.
How much?
Many.
Much.
How much?
Much,
Okay, how much is this? It's $10. Okay, so you have got some more here. Okay. How do you want? 6, please.
how many?
How many do you want? Because
How
6 is
many?
countable. How many do you want? 6, please. He is very busy. He has
Much
Many.
work,
no,
much
not
work,
countable. Much work. David has rice.
Much.
Much rice. Non-countable. London has beautiful buildings.
Many.
Many. Countable. They eat apples.
Many.
Much.
Many. I wrote poems.
Many.
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 Many poems.
I have got
Many.
Much.
No, much. Money is not countable. I visited European cities. Many countable. Were there guests in the wedding?
Many guests.
Yes, many countable. Laila is popular. She has got
Many friends.
many friends. Okay, and she hasn't got
Many.
Much.
much
Much
patience.
passions.
Patience is not countable. Okay, patience is not countable. Okay, so this is very important. You need to know the countable and non-countable nouns because only then you can do the correct comparative. But remember this one. This is the comparative. So many, more, most, few, fewer, fewest, little, less, least, and much, more, most. And you have to remember for countable nouns, you can use many, few. Okay, I don't know. Many, what do you say in Tamil? Many? Nariya, is it? Adhigam.
Adhigam.
Okay. Few is
Sila.
Sila.
still okay. Then much.
Adhigam.
Adhigam,
Nariya.
same meaning. And little. I think in Tamil, same meaning for many and much. But in English, many is for countable nouns, much is for non-countable nouns, few is for countable nouns, little is for non-countable nouns. So those you have to remember in this comparative and superlative. Okay, I think that's it for this class. Any questions you all have on this? I will send you this sheet so that you all can keep this because this is very important. You need to know this countable and non-countable nouns. And apart from that, the comparative and superlative like we learned today, than and the, which is most important. Anyone has any doubts?
No, sir.
Can understand without a problem?
Yes, yes.
Okay then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Bye, Michael.
Good day.
Thank you, Michael.
Okay. See you then.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.